Okay, so now I'm going to try to use and apply eyeshadow, which is a very important part of makeup. Usually all the girls know about this. Use eyeshadow base. So now I will take a little bit of the eyeshadow onto the brush like this and then apply it properly on the eyelid like this. I'm using a light color over here, and you can also use any color that you like. You can use according to your skin tone and your preference. Yeah, this is one of the alternative that we can use this as basic of applying makeup. So it is important that while applying the makeup base, you should apply a natural color for the eyeshadow base. The more natural the color, and it won't create too much of shadow on the eye. So that is very important. Like this, apply it. Friends, as you can see, I have used a very light color and a very bright color as well. My upper eye area, I'm using a brown color or something like brown. That is the color of the face, and on the eye area should match a little bit. Yeah. Remember that the texture of the makeup should always look natural. That is the basic step of makeup. Now we will apply on the deeper areas. So for the lines of the eyes, we might want to use something that is more colorful or deeper from the areas from our eyes. So you have to have a lot of patience while applying eyeshadow. Whatever that we choose for the eyeshadow, we have to use according to the eye conditions, deeper, or else maybe the face position also. That might be different for different people. This is eye contour that I'm applying on the deeper areas, which is important. This is usually a darker color than the rest of the eye area because these lines have to look deeper. Over here that I'm doing, it is, observe me carefully. So you see this color that I'm using over here is a darker color than the entire eye area, like this. Yeah. Yeah, and then now we can highlight with a lighter color on the top. I'm using a very natural and light color over here for the top. Now I will use color on the other eye, so it is important that it matches the first eye. That is always the first rule in makeup, that the other side should always match the first side. Like I'm applying right here is also the same color that I have used on the other eye. So you have to remember the colors that you have used before. That is very, very important for you to remember, okay? So after applying the natural base that I had used before also, like I'm using now I will be using the other colors. This is the brighter color that I'm using over here. The same as before, that is very important. Please remember that. Apply it properly all over the upper eye. Spread it nicely with your brush like this. And be careful that it does not hurt your eye. Friends, eyeshadow forms a very important part of your makeup because it makes your eyes transform, and eyes are a very important part of your face. So you have to make sure that your eyes are highlighted properly. And eyeshadow does that work for you. So you have to be very careful while applying the eyeshadow. The kind of colors that you use should be natural and also suiting your face. That is very important, so that when you smile, or when you see or you look at anybody, your eyeshadow should always look bright and beautiful. Now I will After cutting the corners properly and applying proper makeup on the eye, now we will Okay, now we will check the rounds and the upper eye area, which should be natural also. Eye contour color. Remember that it should be the same as before, okay? Don't forget that. Otherwise, both the eyes will look of different color and that will not really look good. On the other side also, if you have made mistake in the second eye, you can always improve the first eye. Lightly like this with the brush so that it looks natural and beautiful, and also it should look very appealing, which is an important part of eye makeup. Maybe we would have beautiful eyes in many forms of rounds, different kind of sizes that make us look even more appealing, but the way you put eyeshadow is a very important part because it can make your eyes look more beautiful than they actually are, So make sure that your eyeshadow should be properly applied on both sides and should look the same on both sides. Otherwise, your eyes will look different. So you can use a proper color according to the eyeliner form, long lines or simple, elongated or smaller. You know that we have smaller eyes, so you should use according to the contour of your face. That is very, very important so that your eyeshadow looks bright, beautiful and appealing to every person, or also camera friendly. Yeah, and that's all for today. And friends, I hope that you apply all these tips that I gave today. Thank you very much.